Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So this is the last part of our modeling the house. I know it's not what you think. We still have to color our house, and that's the topic for seventh and final part of this series. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So to to make our cupboard, which is this cupboard, what we will do, we'll select our cupboard, go into the edit mode by pressing tab, and we'll press 3 to go into the face selection mode and select all the top 3 faces, and we will change our snap target to edge. If you don't have it changed, please do change it. And now we will we'll bring our cursor here and press E and shift tab to snap it, and again we'll press E and shift tab to snap it again, and again and again we'll press E and shift tab to snap it. Now if we see here, on top we have some gap here for our wooden planks, and on the left side of our cupboard we have again a little bit of space for a wooden plank. So for a wooden plank, what we will do, we will select the left face, which is this part, with shift and press and go into the front view mode, zoom in a bit, and we'll press E and we'll extrude it outside. Try to make the width half of this should be half of this. And now we'll select our not select we'll make an edge loop by pressing Ctrl R, and we'll bring it up. This much is fine. And now what we will do, we will press 2 to go into our edge selection mode, and with alt click we will select our whole edge and press X and dissolve edge. And now what we will do, we will tab out of our cupboard, and while the cupboard is still selected, we will select our reference image too. You will get this orange kind of highlight here, and now we will isolate them. So after isolating them, what we will do, we will press 3 for our face selection mode and select these two faces, and we will extrude these both faces inside. We'll press E and take our cursor, we'll scroll our move our cursor up, and with shift being pressed to have a precise extrusion. This much is fine. We don't want it to be we don't want a more extrusion or very less extrusion. And now we'll make a edge loop by pressing Ctrl R in the middle of our cupboard, and again we'll select these two faces and press E and extrude them inside. Little bit, not too much, a little bit. And now we'll press 2 to go into our edge selection mode. We will select our middle edge press X and dissolve our edge. We'll select at this edge too, press X and dissolve our edge. And now with the help of our viewing tile or this part, we will select our this edge and the little bit this one, press X and again delete them. Not delete, dissolve them. Do not delete them, dissolve them. Same here, and we will do same here. Yes. And now what we will do, we will press 3 again for our face selection mode. Select all these 4 faces and press I to give them inset, and with shift we will give them inset, and this is fine, I guess. This much is fine. Now we'll select all these 4 faces, 4 panels, whatever we want to call them. We'll press shift D to duplicate them, press P to make a selection out of it. Now we will tab out of our selection and go to the cupboard 001. Press F2 and we will rename it to cup panels. Fine. And again we'll select our cupboard and press tab, and now we'll select all these outer faces, which is this, and we'll again press shift D to make a duplicate out of them. Press P and again we'll select our cupboard 001 and we'll tab out. We will tab out, go out of our edit mode and select our cupboard 001. Press F2 to rename it to cup panel border. And now we'll select our cupboard and go into our edit mode. Press 2 and we are done with our cupboard. So let's tab out of it and unisolate it by pressing / and just isolate our cupboard. This is how it looks. from front it should look like this, from top it should look like this, and from back it should look like this. So this is how it looks. Oh wait, to fill this area, select the cupboard, tab into it, and while pressing we'll press 2 for our edge selection mode, and we'll select this edge and this edge, this edge and this edge. Press F to fill it, and this is done. So this is our cupboard. I hope you guys understood. With our cupboard being complete, which is this, and with our cupboard being completed, now in the next video we can start shading, or you can say texturing, or we can say give it we can call it coloring our model. So stay tuned for part 7. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this series, Japanese Design Room series, please do let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.